Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break is number 640. We're opening two boxes of Ultimate Collection 13-14 hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended May 22nd at 8:59 p.m. And according to timeanddate.com, it is currently 2:05, Saturday, May 23rd. That's Eastern Time, local time in Toronto, Ontario. First box number is 221, 158, 526. Second box number is 221, 057, 467. 4 cards per pack. 1 pack per box, 2 boxes to open. That's for hits. Just get first box, Upper Deck Ultimate Collection. Then you go like this. Cool. Yeah. Rip a bit to damage it. And we got our pack. Just put it here. 1 empty box. Extra careful, like always. I just put it on my pad here. Yeah, that's better. Okay, Marian Gaborik out of 499, base card for Columbus. That's better. Ultimate Rookie Frank Corrado for Vancouver out of 499. Protective pad. Denis Savard. Heart signed signature card. Chicago. Nice card. And a rookie jersey of Alex Killorn for Tampa. So that's our first box. Second box. I'd just like to mention that we got 4 box breaks ending tonight. 9 and 10:30 p.m. Got some SP Game News, some Ultimate Collection, some ITG 14-15 Superlative Vault, and some Ultimate Vault. More appeal all the time on Box Breakers. Okay, there we go. Let's grab it here and slide it. There we go. 1 empty box. 1 pack. Evgeny Malkin out of 499 for Pittsburgh. Ryan Stanton for Vancouver. Rookie out of 499. Protective band. Shea Weber, Ultimate Signature, heart signed for Predators. Beautiful card. And Drew Doughty, rookie jersey for Kings. Sorry, Ultimate jersey. Sorry about that. So to recap, we got this Ultimate jersey, Drew Doughty for Kings. We've got a hard signed auto, Shea Weber for Predators. Rookie for Vancouver, Ryan Stanton. Base, Evgeny Malkin out of 499. Alex Killorn, Ultimate Rookie, jersey. Tampa Bay. We got it. Denis Savard for Chicago. Hard signed signature. Frank Corrado, rookie for Vancouver. And Marian Gaborik for Columbus out of 499. So that concludes our break number 640 of 2 box of Ultimate Collection 1314. Be sure to check out our other box breaks tonight between 9 and that ends tonight between 9 and 10:30. My name is Gilles. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.